Hello, and welcome to the English podcast with Lily.
We're really glad you're here.
Before we start, this might change how you learn English forever.
So if you want to finally understand real English,
Make sure to subscribe.
because this channel is all about real conversations, not textbook English.
What if you could understand the same story at 3 different levels?
Beginner, intermediate, and fluent.
Stay with us, because by the end,
You'll understand more than you think. Most people think fluency means learning more words,
or studying harder.
but real progress is something else.
It's understanding the same idea more deeply.
Emma goes to a cafe. She is nervous.
She wants to order coffee.
The barista asks.
What do you want?
Emma thinks.
She speaks slowly.
I want coffee, please.
She feels shy, but happy.
That's the beginner level.
Simple words, clear sentences.
What do you want?
I want coffee, please.
Now, let's tell the same story again.
But this time, a little differently.
Emma walks into a small cafe. She feels a little nervous because her English isn't perfect.
She looks at the menu, trying to decide what to order.
The barista smiles and asks.
What would you like?
Emma pauses for a moment.
Then she says,
I'd like a coffee, please. Her voice is quiet but more confident. Now you heard more detail.
more natural sentences.
What would you like? Huh?
I'd like a coffee, please.
Ready for the final level?
This is how native speakers sound.
Emma walks into this cozy little cafe, kind of nervous, not really sure what to say.
She's looking at the menu, overthinking everything, trying to choose the perfect sentence.
Then the barista just looks at her and goes,
Hey, what can I get you?
and for a second, she freezes.
But then she smiles and says,
Yeah, I'll just have a coffee.
simple, natural, no overthinking.
And suddenly, it feels easy.
Hey, what can I get you?
Yeah, I'll just have a coffee.
Same story.
3 levels.
Beginner,
Intermediate.
fluent.
Fluency isn't about learning a new story.
It's about understanding the same story.
At a deeper level,
You don't need more grammar,
you need more exposure,
more listening,
more repetition.
more real English.
If you understood more than you expected,
Make sure to like the video,
and subscribe.
because fluency isn't about studying more.
It's about experiencing more.